What up, yo? It's the TA Beats.
Carabulu, and we got our other,
Aquaman.
yeah, Aquaman.
Aquaman, dude. So why is fifth period video production not actually productive?
Good question.
Today we will explore. Kara?
I think it's because of the secret societies of green screen room kids that are actually anti-productive. We prevent kids from using cameras,
Because we're using them for stupid things.
like making music videos.
Or uploading videos straight to YouTube.
Yeah.
So that's a pretty good theory, but then you think the people who weren't doing that could also could do work. You know, the kids who weren't.
Yeah, but the
in
thing
that.
is, we got this background music. We
Yeah.
have the background music, the work that we don't want to do, and it doesn't get done.
And we have like an iMac, which is practically like a PlayStation.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like a PlayStation.
And we have the whole internet in front of us.
Yeah,
It makes life difficult, really.
it does. So that's all we have for today.
First episode.
First episode of
Talk with rap
Caraballoo
stars.
Talk with Rap Stars.
Aren't you glad I got the one with the photo booth camera on it?
Yes, I am. Alright, there's Chris in the background. He's the rap star. He's pretending to jack off or something stupid like
Oh
that.
yes, I'm Prop 26.
Yes, I'm 26. Better California.
Oh wait, can we do this? 26?
Oh, two.
What?
Alright, no, you go.
Wait.
2, 6. 2, 6. Prop 26. What up with it? Peace.